For decades, the standard engineering of residential solar storage was defined by a specific physical constraint: fixed-capacity monoliths. This forced homeowners and system integrators to accurately predict a property's precise energy consumption for the next 10 years at the exact moment of installation. Incorrect forecasting resulted in immediate financial consequences, either upfront overcapitalization on excess storage or system obsolescence when household energy demand increased. Preparing for the energy needs of 2026 requires looking beyond brand fame toward hardware that can actually grow with the home. That leading alternative is BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams. It's the system top installers are championing right now. If the name doesn't sound familiar, looking at their massive global scale usually clears things up. BYD is actually one of the world's absolute largest manufacturers of electric vehicles and rechargeable batteries. They've spent decades conducting rigorous research and development for high-speed electric vehicles. That exact same heavy-duty engineering directly fuels their residential technology. The direct result of that technology transfer is the BYD Battery-Box Premium Series, which is now rolling out across Australian homes. When you compare that industrial pedigree to standard solar startups, the difference in proven global reliability becomes obvious. Choosing a BYD battery means you're taking road-tested, industrial-grade technology and using it to power your living room. To understand why installers trust this system, we have to look past the brand name and examine the physical core of the product, the internal battery chemistry. This molecular comparison shows exactly what's going on inside. Instead of traditional lithium-ion formulations, BYD utilizes lithium iron phosphate, widely known as LFP technology. Notice the dense, highly stable grid structure on the LFP side compared to the looser structure of standard lithium-ion. The primary advantage of this chemistry is exceptional thermal stability. It drastically reduces the risk of overheating or fire, even under intense stress. There's a major secondary benefit. These LFP cells can endure thousands of charge and discharge cycles with very little degradation over time. The system is also highly efficient. It achieves a 96% round-trip efficiency, which means almost none of your captured solar energy is wasted during the storage process. There is a physical trade-off to all this. Because of the denser chemistry, LFP technology is slightly heavier and bulkier per kilowatt-hour compared to standard batteries. However, this highly stable chemistry is exactly why BYD can confidently back the battery box with a comprehensive 10-year warranty. Ultimately, sacrificing a small amount of wall space in your garage is the necessary cost for securing industry-leading thermal safety and a decade of reliable daily cycling. That brings us to the most distinct feature of the BYD Battery-Box Premium models, specifically the HVS and HVM lines. It's their physical, modular architecture. Most batteries on the market are fixed-capacity appliances. You buy a single box and you're stuck with that exact size. BYD uses a stackable block design, allowing you to physically expand your capacity at any time. This flowchart starts by showing how a typical installation begins. A homeowner sets up the base control unit with a modest 5 kilowatt-hour capacity, which easily covers basic nighttime energy use. A few years later, you might buy an electric vehicle. Suddenly, your energy needs jump. With BYD, you simply drop another battery block directly onto the original stack. If you decide to expand your solar array or add heavy appliances like a pool pump, you can keep stacking modules. You can easily take the system well past 60 kilowatt-hours of storage. Now, we need to address the upfront cost trade-off. Because you have to purchase the necessary base control unit on day one, an initial 5 kilowatt-hour BYD system will be more expensive than some entry-level alternatives. The long-term financial advantage becomes clear later. When you upgrade your capacity, you only have to buy the raw battery modules. You don't have to buy a completely new battery system and pay for a full setup all over again. Installers also appreciate this modularity because it makes the physical installation process faster and safer. The components are lifted individually rather than maneuvering one massive heavy box. Think of this modularity as an insurance policy. It guarantees you never overpay for excess capacity today, and you never get trapped with an undersized system tomorrow. Beyond the physical design, we have to look at how the battery integrates with the wider home, and specifically its relationship with your solar inverter. BYD operates with an inverter-agnostic philosophy. It is fully compatible with top-tier hybrid inverter brands, including Fronius, SMA, GoodWe, and SolarEdge. This gives you a significant practical benefit. You have the freedom to mix and match the absolute best solar panels and inverters on the market to suit the unique layout of your roof. But there is a critical trade-off to this open system approach. BYD batteries do not feature built-in backup power capabilities on their own. The extent of your blackout protection and backup power is entirely dependent on the specific inverter you choose to pair with the battery. While this requires a bit more initial planning with your installer, an open ecosystem guarantees that your hybrid setup is perfectly optimized for your specific property. This brings us to the ultimate financial question. Factoring in the initial hardware costs and installation, is the BYD battery box worth buying in 2026? Over a 10-year span, the math strongly favors BYD. That 96% efficiency rating and the extreme longevity of the LFP chemistry compound over time, easily offsetting the higher initial cost of the base unit. However, this system isn't for everyone. If you are on a strict rock-bottom budget, or if you heavily prioritize managing everything through a single branded app over having physical expandability, BYD might not be the right fit. Look at this scorecard rating BYD. It scores exceptionally high for future flexibility and thermal safety, with a moderate score for initial upfront cost. This points directly to the ideal buyer, the future-proofer. It's built for homeowners who plan to stay in their property long-term and fully anticipate their energy demands growing. This system appeals specifically to buyers who want to build a resilient energy infrastructure for their home, rather than just buying another household appliance. Ultimately, the investment works because it shifts the focus from simple storage to a flexible infrastructure that anticipates the next decade of home electrification. Because of its proven modularity, advanced safety profile, and broad compatibility, BYD stands out as one of the smartest long-term solar investments available in Australia right now. Taking advantage of a modular, multi-brand solar setup means you need it executed correctly. That requires a highly experienced local installer. For homeowners in New South Wales and the ACT, Austar Solar is the premier expert for properly integrating a BYD system. You can contact Austar Solar right now for a free, no-obligation quote. Their experts will help you navigate the latest available rebates and find the ideal inverter pairing for your specific roof. If you want to dive deeper, you can read our full detailed BYD written review linked in the video description below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth solar guides, and we'll see you in the next video.